One, JK, I do. There they were, standing in front of each other, holding their hands. He plastered a kiss on the back of her hand on the call for the formality. He closed his eyes and cursed under his breath because he was not happy with this forced marriage. Vine was standing in front of him under the veil, and he was that much unhappy that he didn't even pull up the veil and looked at her once. That's the thing, he never saw her before. He glared at her father, who was doing the same, and before anyone could say something, Jackie dashed out of the hall, leaving Vine there. Vine, what happened to him? Both Vine and Jungkook are forced to each other. Vine was forced, but she decided to accept it and give it a chance. But Jungkook was against this marriage because he wanted to select a girl of his own choice. Jungkook's father forced him, but he didn't knew that Jungkook was planning something else. He was planning his escape and to handle this forced situation. Vine came out of washroom after getting freshened up. She waited for him for 3 hours, but he was not there. She sat on the bed and went in her thoughts. Is this I'm getting from my new life? I thought my life was the starting of new journey, but I never knew my starting will be like that. Where is he? Why he left like that and didn't show up till now? She came out of her thoughts when she heard a knock, and soon her father-in-law came in having a tense look. She frowned and asked him what happened, and he started. That night for Vine was so long and same for Jungkook. Vine was upset and hurt after knowing her husband left her on her wedding night, and Jungkook was drowning in guilt for leaving Vine like that. But he decided to go for his life. After all, he was owner of who had right on himself. Just like that, 1 year was passed, but they both didn't had any encounter. Vine had saw Jungkook in pictures, but Jungkook didn't saw Vine till yet. Jungkook, listen, Rizzy, you have to help me. I just came back to Korea today just to handle the situation. I have decided to face Vine because I know I was at the fault to leave her, but I will try to make her understand that it's good for both of us to part our ways. Rizzy, first of all, don't you think you are late for all this? And second, I'm not ready to be your fake wife. Jungkook, look, don't overreact. Okay, just name the price and you will get it. It's just for 1 week. After lots of efforts, Rizzy got ready to be Jungkook's fake wife because he decided to fake all this in front of Vine so that she can leave him and get ready to sign divorce. But little he knew what was about to happen. Rizzy went on the side with other friends, and Jungkook came at the front and lighted up his cigarette. He was looking here and there, and that's when he started coughing badly because of smoke. And all that happened when he saw a girl in front of him on the opposite road. Her innocence, her cuteness, and beauty was the reason because of which his breath got stuck, along with his eyes. That girl was going with her friends inside the cafe, and he was watching her moving and going inside. Without him knowing, he was coming towards the opposite direction near her. All the cars were crossing him while blowing horn, and he was walking on the road. Jungkook, do me a favor, go and ask her is she single. Busy does it matter because you are not. Now let's go, we have to plan. No, listen, stop, rest. But she dragged him away, but Jungkook was still looking at that girl inside the cafe. He started liking that unknown girl in the cafe, but what, when? Where was she? Was Jungkook planning to faking wife was good, and that plan was about to blast on himself. There he was standing in front of his father, who was glaring him, and he was doing the same. So high of you that you are standing in front of me after what you had done, and now you have started this new drama of your this wife. Mr. John pointed at Tracy. Jungkook glared at him and said, "Don't put this blame game on me, Dad. I told you before I was not ready for that marriage, but still you forced me. I know I did wrong. I shouldn't have left Van like that without saying a word. I know she don't deserve this, and I am her culprit, but so you are. I told you I will marry someone I love, and look, I am here with my love." Mr. Jeon looked at down, being angry because deep down he knew Jungkook was right. Mr. Jeon, that's why are you here then? What is the reason showing up here? Jungkook looked at Rizzy and she nodded. I am here to apologize to Wine and to tell her that it's time we should put an end to this marriage because it was just a formality, Mr. John. But she never considered this marriage a formality. She waited for you and looks like she is still waiting because I asked her to end this, but looks like she is not ready. Jungkook frowned and said, "Why would she do that? I mean, why is she waiting? I left her, and after all that, Mr. John, why?" Jungkook stopped when he heard Mr. John calling Vine. He saw that his father was looking at the bed. Jungkook knew Vine was standing. He closed his eyes, ready to face his wife. Rizzy turned around before him, and when she saw Vine, she dropped the bag on floor. Jungkook opened his eyes and looked at Rizzy, and when he saw her shocked, he also looked at Vine, and that's when his breath got stuck when he looked at her. Vine was standing in front of him, having a cold, expressionless face. Jungkook was looking at her like he saw a ghost. Rizzy whispered to Jungkook, "Do you remember that girl from the cafe you saw 3 days before?" Jungkook's silence gave her the answer. Well, looks like you fall for your own wife, Jungkook. But that was right. The girl Jungkook saw in that cafe was none other than Wine. He started feeling for her when he saw her in that cafe, but he never thought that she will be his wife, his first wife. Rizzy, did you got your answer now? She is not single, Jungkook. Rizzy was still whispering, but the guy was shocked. And that's when Wine came towards him, taking slow steps. Rizzy left Jungkook and went on side because she knew there was no reason for that drama now. Jungkook, no, listen to me. That's not true. Rizzy, yes. Vine and Mr. John phoned, and Jungkook told Vine and Mr. John that how he decided to fake all this. Vine, why are you telling me all this now? You are married or not, I don't care. You are free from my side, and that's what you want, right? Now leave my hand. Jungkook held her hand tightly, and she was wiggling. Jungkook, no, listen to me, Vine. He closed his eyes. I mean, how that poor guy will tell her that now he is falling for her. Jungkook left her hand slowly, and Vine left from there, giving his last glare. Never cross my path again. Mr. John, I don't know what you are up to, Jungkook, but I know you deserve to be in the hospital right now. Have you lost your mind? What is all this drama? Mr. John also left from there, and he closed his eyes. Rizzy came towards him and put her hand on his shoulder. Jungkook, you know what's the biggest regret? Rizzy shook her head and he chuckled. I should have pulled up that veil on my wedding day. And biggest regret is that I left her. It's my karma. That day I left, and look, today she left like that. She had a hope that day which I shattered, and today it was all about me. Last part remaining. This story will have a happy ending as it was a requested FF with a happy ending. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.